Hello to all my friends out there. So I wanted to do this video all in one part, but that's going to be impossible. My phone is cutting out. But I wanted to mention, look, see how nice and clean my teapot is? I put boiling water and dishwasher detergent in it, and I just let it set for a while. And I have tea with cream and sugar, just regular Dollar Tree tea, the good stuff, black tea. All right, now, my phone is plugged in. That's a big problem. Okay, so now here is the filled sandwiches, and I just see how my cheese has melted. Yummy, this is good. I'll try to take a bite without burning my mouth. See? It's good. I use deviled ham, but if you use Spam, all you do is cut it in small pieces and grind it in the blender. And then mix this up, and I forgot the onion, and then put it in hot dog buns and bake at 350 until the sandwich is heated through. Okay, here is a good old recipe. I will put these on Twitter in case you don't want to screenshot them. And no, I am not typing these under comments. I gotta hurry. Okay, now if you don't get any other recipe, I can't move my phone. It's ready to cut out. Get this one. I got the hemp at Sprouts. Here's my favorite thumbprint cookie recipe. Very important recipe for tea parties. I'll be doing about 10 recipes before every chat. Maybe. We'll see. I'm going to try to adjust this if it cuts out.